When you start the RPG Key application for the first time, you're going to be presented with the application options window, which looks like this one shown here. This is the part of our program where you tell the software which program you would like to use the keys with. So RPG Key comes with a set of stock default programs like Lightroom 3.6 to all the way up to Lightroom 4.2 at the time of this recording, and all versions of Photoshop 3 through 6, again, which was just the available ones at the time of this recording. You can, however, add and remove applications that the keys will work with. So the first thing is, if you're using, for example, Lightroom 4.1, you simply double-click in the black status box, and it will enable 4.1 as opposed to enable 4.2. That's the first thing. The second thing is, again, same concept here. I'm using a 64-bit version of Photoshop 6, so I'm going to click Enable, and sure enough, it is enabled and Lightroom is enabled. So that's the first thing you're going to need to do. You can create support for the RPG keys with a tool here. For another application. So we can go down here to the bottom where it says Create New Application, click the right arrow, and it's going to ask us to hover our mouse over a program. So we simply would, let's see here, we'll go ahead and we will start the calculator. So I'm going to bring the calculator application into this program. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my mouse over the calculator, and I'm going to click the Control key, and I'm now going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Calc. Okay, and now the RPG key will work with your calculator application. And this is true for any program you have on your computer. So if you're not using the RPG key with Lightroom or Photoshop, this is the first thing you're going to need to do in order to make the RPG key work with one of your other native applications on your PC.